Pit Dog Channel. Hope everybody's doing well out there today. Hey, I'm about to throw a flat meat steak on my Santa Maria grill accessory over here. It's over here behind me. Got her fired up, got some pecan wood on there. We're gonna make a flat meat steak sandwich with just some cheese. Simple steak sandwich. If you like peppers, onions, mushrooms, all that other stuff on there, hey man, that's good also. But I'll tell you what, we're just gonna make a simple steak and cheese sandwich. So I got her fired up back here. We're getting ready to go in the house and marinate the steak, and we're gonna get this cook going. So until next time, y'all take care. Oh, by the way, hey, guess who's doing a taste test at the end? Yep, my buddy Duke. See you then. Take care. Alright, let's get this flap steak marinated. I got it here in my little container, and I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil on it that's infused with garlic. Try to get as much olive oil in my diet as I can. Stuff is very good for you, so is garlic. I didn't have any fresh garlic on hand, so I thought this would work. And then here I've got some brisket rub from Heaven Made Products. Stuff's pretty good. It's the same company that makes It's Incredible, so you know it's going to be good. So put some of that on there, and then here I've just got some chopped up red onion I had in the refrigerator. Get these steaks flipped over and get them rolling around and just marinate a little bit. Now I'm going to put the zest of a lime. The lime zest adds a lot of flavor. Really does. I'm going to cut this baby in half and try to get some juice out of this lime. Lime juice just really works with steak. That lime just doesn't want to juice very well. Put a spoon to it here. There we go. Get a little bit more juice out of there. Yeah, just throw the whole thing in there. What the heck? Now, I better give it a little stir here. Alright, there's my Santa Maria grill. Just a Santa Maria attachment on top of a Weber grill. Thing's awesome. Change the height on it. Get your food up above the fire as high as you need to, or down on it like I got it right here. Alright, got my steak on the fire, got some pecan wood burning under there. After about 4 minutes, we'll give it a flip, see how it's doing. Yep, after about another 4 minutes, I call it done. It's about a medium rare, about 135 degrees, cut on the high end. Looking good, looking real good. Now I got some ciabatta rolls to make this steak sandwich with. Pretty simple, just gonna throw them on my grill. Put a little bit of that garlic olive oil on them. I could have done it before I put it on the grill, but just kind of flying by the seat of my pants out there. Give them a flip after about a minute. Ooh, that grill is hot. Put a little bit of olive oil on this side. I mean, you know how to toast bread. Now you see the flat meat. See the grains running up and down here. So what we want to do is cut off a piece and then slice it against the grains. We're going to turn it to the side. First of all, check that out. Oh yeah, is this thing juicy or what? cutting across the grain, a little bit of an angle, a little bias. You can see all that juice that's been coming out of this thing. I mean, that looks good. I couldn't resist. Yep, I had to take a bite. Guess what? Stuff's pretty good. I had to take a big bite. Now let's build this beast. I mean, you know how to make a sandwich. You put as much meat or as little meat on there as you want. That flat meat steak is awesome. Now I'm just going to use what I had in the refrigerator. A little bit of mozzarella, a little bit of sharp cheddar. Oh boy, that looks good enough to eat already. Now we got to melt that cheese some. Broke the old panini grill out. Put her in here for about 5 minutes. Get the cheese melting on it. That bread is crusty, but it's good. Smoky flavor from the fire. Got my cheese melted, got my steak in there. There's the flat meat steak sandwich. Here's my boy. Get him, Duke. Hey, thanks for watching the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. We'll see you next time.